Handy Hudsonite here. We're looking at the front wheel rotor, the wheel assembly of my 2004 Honda Odyssey. You notice here the grooves in my rotor, and when it comes to the health of a rotor, you do not want these grooves. You want these grooves to be minimal, and that's one of the reasons why I need to work on my brakes today, is because these grooves are causing vibration when I go to apply the brakes. And if you have vibration when you're applying the brakes, this could be your issue, though it could be related to other things as well, but this is my primary issue when it comes to the pulsating or vibrating of my brakes when I go to slow down, especially if I'm going down a hill and my car is really under load. To slow down, it has been getting worse and worse. And so when I checked the rotors and I saw how gouged up they are, showed to me this is probably what the issue is. So if you're having pulsating of the brakes, vibration, and you feel it in the brake pedal and even through other parts of the car, this could be very well your issue. But you want to be sure to diagnose it completely, and if you're not sure what you're doing, take it to a professional who can give a full diagnosis of what the issue is. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.